Yes, class. Page number 132. Page number 132, numerical number 8, chapter number 3rd. Okay, page number 132, numerical number 8. Okay, now I'm start to read. A, B, C are partners sharing P&L in ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1. C retired on 31st March 2017. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31st December 2016 stood as follows. Financial year is January to December. Okay, and balance sheet given on 31st December 2016. But she retired on 31st March 2017, so she works only 3 months in current year. She works only 3 months in current year, January 17, February and March 17. So she works only 3 months in a financial year of 2017, January to March. Next, balance sheet. Capital A, B, C, 6 lakh, here is a mistake. Amount 60,000 converted in 6 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. General reserve 4 lakh, creditors 1 lakh, land and building 10 lakh, investment 125, stock 250, debtors 4 lakh, cash in hand 1 lakh, cash at bank 225. Okay. In order to arrive the balance due to C, it was mutually agreed that land and building be valued at rupees 12,000, investment to be valued at rupees 1 lakh, stock to be taken at 3 lakh, goodwill valued at 2-year purchase of average super profit. Goodwill is not given, so we will calculate goodwill by average profit method. Goodwill is valued at 2-year purchase of average profit of last 5 years. So first of all we will calculate average of 5 years. Next, then goodwill equal to average profit into number of years 2. Okay, goodwill will not appear in the books of reconstructed firm. Yes, we know that the goodwill account is not open. Just make a adjustment entry for goodwill payment to retiring partner. C's share of profit up to date of retirement. Yes, this is the point. C's share of profit up to date of retirement. C's share of profit mean because C works in firm only for 3 months, January, February and March. So he will get share in profit for these 3 months. And how to be calculate this profit? C's share of profit up to date of retirement be calculated on the basis of average profit of the preceding 3 years. So first of all we will calculate average profit of preceding 3 years, and in which we will calculate C's share. Okay, so at the profit of 5 years will be used 2 times, first for goodwill calculation and next for retiring partner share in profit. Profit given 180, 220, 3 lakh, 275, 325. Amount payable to C transferred to his loan account carrying interest 10%, and you are required to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Loan account is not prepared, only 3 account is prepared: revaluation, balance sheet and partners capital account. So first of all we will start from revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. Revaluation account is two side in revaluation account, DR and CR. Okay, debit side show loss, credit side show profit. Okay, first of all land and building revalued at 12,000. So land and building given in balance sheet 10 lakh, valued at 12 lakh, value increased by 2 lakh. So land and building increase is a profit transfer to CR side by land and building 2 lakh rupees. Investment valued as 1 lakh, investment given in balance sheet 125, revalued at 1 lakh, value decreased by 25, it's a loss transfer to DR side to investment amount rupees 25,000. Stock taken at 3 lakh, stock given in balance sheet 250, revalued at 3 lakh, value increased by 50,000 credited to revaluation account. Okay, there's only three adjustments related to revaluation account, in which land and building increase credit, stock increase credit, assets increase profit transfer to CR side. So two assets are increased and transfer to credit side, land and building by 2 lakh, stock by 50,000. One assets decrease, investment decrease by 25,000 and 25,000 debited to revaluation account. Now calculate balance. Total of credit side is 250 and in debit side there is only single amount 25,000, so 250 minus 20,000, 250 minus 20,000, then profit equal to 2,25,000. 250 minus 25,000 equal to 2,25,000 is a revaluation profit which is transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1. So 225 into 2 upon 5, 225 into 2 upon 5 and 225 into 1 upon 5. So 90,000 A, 90,000 B and 45,000 to C's. Okay, revaluation profit transfer to all partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now our next level of numerical, we will prepare partners capital account, 3 column in DR and 3 column in CR. Okay, first of all, opening balance of partners capital account. Opening balance of partners capital account is always credit because capital is a liability and opening balance of liability is always CR. So buy balance BD taken from old balance sheet 6 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. So 6 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh from old balance sheet. Now next there is a balance of general reserve amount rupees 4 lakh. General reserve transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio 2:1. So buy general reserve 2:1, 160 and 80,000 rupees. Okay, general reserve transfer to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now next, in asset side there is amount of goodwill, no. Any other P&L, no. Any expense, no. Nothing is given in asset side. Only in liability side there are two amount, buy balance BD and general reserve, which are already transferred to partners capital account. Okay, now come to next, our revaluation balance, that is profit and profit credited to partners capital account by revaluation account 90,000, 90,000 and 45,000. These are adjustment. Now come to other information, point number 4, in which first of all we will calculate goodwill by purchase year method. Okay, and then we will calculate seed share in this goodwill. So first of all we will calculate value of goodwill, calculation of goodwill. Average profit equal to sum of profit upon number of years. Okay, so sum of profit means to profit of last 5 years. 1,80,000 plus 220 plus 3 lakh plus 275 lakh plus 325 lakh. Okay, divide by 5. Come to next. Yes, total 13 lakh divided by 5, then average is 2 lakh 60,000 is 5 year average 5 year average. Okay, then goodwill equal to average profit into number of years is 2, so 260 into number of year 2, then 5,20,000 is total firm's goodwill. Okay, so we will calculate C share in this goodwill. So C share is 5,20,000 total goodwill into C share is 1 upon 5. So 1,04,000 is C share in total goodwill. Okay, we will pass a journal entry for adjustment. We know that remaining partner gives goodwill to retiring partner in their gaining ratio. Okay, so journal entry is A's capital account DR, B's capital account DR, 2 C's capital account. Remaining partners capital account DR, 2 retiring partner. A's capital account DR, B's capital account DR, 2 C's capital account. C is credited with rupees 1,04,000 amount of goodwill. Okay, and these 1,04,000 will be debited to A and B in their gaining ratio. In lack of information, we assume that remaining partners remaining ratio is gain ratio. Then ratio is 2, 2 and 1. A, B and C. C is retired, so 2 is remaining ratio of remaining partner and it's treated as a gain ratio. So 1,04,000 debited to A and B equally. 2 na, then equal 1,04,000 divided in A and B, 52,000 and 52,000, equal part of 1,04,000. Okay. Now next, okay, see it once. First of all, average profit. Average profit is total profit of 5 years divided by 5. Then addition is 13 lakh divided by 5 is 260. 260 multiplied by 2 years. 2 years are given in numerical. Then total goodwill is 520. In C's share is 520 into 1 upon 5, 14. 14 credit to C and debit to A and B in gaining ratio, that is equal to 2:2. Then 52,000 and 52,000. Okay. This journal entry is passed in your account. Yes, here goodwill is debited to A and B, so to C, A is debit 52, B is debited 52 and C is credit, so by A and by B credit in C's column 52,000 and 52,000. Retiring partner is credit, remaining partner is debit with amount of goodwill 1,04,000. A and B debit for 14 and C is credit for 1,04,000. This is adjustment of goodwill. Now the most important adjustment of numerical, retiring partner share in profit. Retiring partner share in profit. How to be calculated retiring partner share in profit? Calculation of C's share in profit from 1st January 17 to 31st March 17, because he works only 3 months, January, February and March. Okay. And according to given information, the preceding 3 year average profit, preceding 3 years profit will be treated as a current year profit, in which we will calculate C's share only for 3 months. So preceding 3 year profit is 3 lakh plus 225 plus 325, 9 lakh. 9 lakh divided by 3 equal to 3 lakh. 3 lakh is average profit of current year. Okay, in which we will calculate C's share. Then formula is profit into time in 3 months, January, February, March, into 3 upon 12 into C share is 1 upon 5. Then profit into time into share of C. And profit is 3 lakh average, time is January, February, March, 3 months, so 3 upon 12 and C share is 1 upon 5. So C's share in profit for 3 months is 15,000, which is transferred to C's capital account. Entry is P&L suspense account DR to C's capital account. P&L suspense account will be debited for profit and transferred to C's capital account. P&L suspense account debit to C's capital account. Then journal entry transfer to account. Okay, posted in account. Here buy P&L suspense and credit into C's column amount rupees 15,000. Okay. Now we will calculate balancing figure. C's total balance transferred to his loan account. Then total of C's column is 6,44,000 and these 6,44,000 debited to C's column by to loan account. The whole balance of C's column transferred to his loan account. Next, balance CD of remaining partner A and B. Total of A and B are equal, 850 and 850 minus 52, then balance CD is 798 each. So there is 3 balance CD of A and B and balancing figure of C 645, which is transferred to his loan account. Okay. Now come to next, the last level of your numerical, which is balance sheet. Yes, balance sheet. First of all, liability side, capital of A and B, balance CD of A and B 798 lakh. Next, C's loan is firm's liability 6,44,000. General reserve already credited to partners capital account. Creditors given in old balance sheet 1 lakh. There is no change in creditors, so as it is transferred in balance sheet. Next, in asset side, land and building 10 lakh increased by 2 lakh, 12 lakh. investment 125 and revalued at 1 lakh, stock revalued at 3 lakh, debtors no change 4 lakh, cash at bank, cash in hand 1 lakh no change, cash at bank 225 no change. P&L suspense, yes, we passed a journal entry that P&L suspense account DR to retiring partners capital account. Partners P&L suspense account DR and debit balance is treated as a assets. So P&L suspense transfer to asset side or asset side of a balance sheet, and at the end of year, and the year मतलब mean 31st December. At the end of year, these P&L suspense will be transferred to P&L appropriation account, because balance sheet is prepared on 31st March and end of year is 31st December. So at the end of year, this P&L suspense will be transferred to P&L appropriation account. Okay, this is your balance sheet. Once again, first of all, capital of A and B, that is balance sheet is 798,000. C is loan transfer from capital account 644. Journal reserve transfer to partners capital account. Creditor with no change 1 lakh rupees. Land and building 12 lakh revalued. Investment revalued at 1 lakh. Stock revalued at 3 lakh. Debtors no change 4 lakh. Cash no change 1 lakh. Bank balance no change 225. P&L suspense. P&L suspense open for retiring partners share in profit. So P&L suspense debit balance transfer to asset side with rupees 15,000. This is your numerical number 8. Okay, so done this numerical in your you do this numerical in your accountancy's fair register. Okay, I am always give the instruction that you do next numerical as a homework and attach in your assignment column, but no one is doing this work. ओके, तो ये है बात कि कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है, मत करो। कोई तुम्हारा ही इसमें अब मतलब क्या नुकसान है वो तुम समझ रहे हो अच्छे से कि इसमें तुम्हारा क्या नुकसान हो रहा है काम नहीं करने से। मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं तो हर न्यूमेरिकल अगले दिन तुम्हें करवा देता हूँ, और तुम उसे इतना ही करो कि तुम उसे फेयर रजिस्टर में क्या कर लेना, नोट कर लेना। होमवर्क तो तुम नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम्हें कितना ही बोल दो, कितना ही काम दे दो, तुम्हें कोई असर ही नहीं हो रहा इस बात का कि हमें क्या काम दिया गया था। ओके, तो आज मैं तुम्हें काम दे रहा हूँ, तुम्हें ये काम अब करना ही पड़ेगा। न्यूमेरिकल नंबर जो नेक्स्ट है 9 नंबर न्यूमेरिकल है, ये कितने नंबर पेज पर गया, ये 8 नंबर पर है क्या। चलिए 9 नंबर न्यूमेरिकल आप क्या करेंगे भाई, ट्राई करेंगे। 9 नंबर न्यूमेरिकल आप क्या करेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे, और ये आपको करना ही करना है 9 नंबर न्यूमेरिकल। ओके क्लास, थैंक यू।